Hi creative friend, I'm Jane from Sustain My Craft Habit, and this is my sister Sonia, and we're here today unboxing our first box from Simply Earth. Welcome back to our channel, where we share nature-inspired DIY crafting decor ideas each week. We're happy to share with you our recent partnership with Simply Earth. So Simply Earth is a company out of the US who provides a really unique service that was of interest to us. We've been interested in learning more about essential oils and doing some additional DIYs with them. You can find a few projects that we've done with essential oils on our blog, but we are really excited to try even more, right? So what's unique is that each month they offer a different theme of projects that you can make with 4 essential oils. So each month you'll receive a recipe box with 4 different oils plus 6 recipe cards with different project ideas. Right now we wanted to show you what comes with your first order, which includes this bonus box and the recipe box inside. So Sonia's going to take it away.
Okay, sure. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's inside the bonus box that comes with the first month's subscription. Inside is the essential oil recipe box, which we'll just put that aside for now and take a look at what's inside this box. So we've got some beeswax, which would be great for making some lip balms. And what else we got? Here we got some almond oil. Some coconut oil, so liquid, and then we have another jar of coconut oil, which seems like it's the solidified coconut oil versus the liquid coconut oil. You can see. And then also there's a bunch of these little glass jars as well for holding some mixtures. They're just empty. It smells good. And then this is the roll-on, which is really handy for some of the, maybe some of the roll-on like headache remedies that they have. So there's quite a few in here. Yeah, okay.
That's great.
Yeah, very cool.
So these are, did you mention these are for blending your own blends of oils? If you find one that you really like, then you could make a larger volume for your diffuser and put them in there. So that's great. That's it in that bonus box. Oh, one more.
There's more. There's for sure. There's actually quite a few. Let me take them all out.
Oh, wow. So these are here for future months subscriptions. Wow, they're so busy. It keeps coming. That's great.
Oh, goodness. So you could even make them as gifts and give them out.
For sure.
Yeah, really neat. So that's the bonus box. That comes the very first month that you subscribe. And then for, because it is a monthly subscription service, this is the sort of box that you'll receive the first month and then the following months as well. And each month has a theme that the essential oil kit is based on. So let's take a look. This month, this is the April month's kit. And inside are some
welcome materials.
Yeah, sure. It just goes over how the box works. And look, it has how many are here? 6
different recipes using all the materials inside.
Right, so because this month's theme is about natural home cleaning products, some of the examples here are for a laundry detergent, a natural dishwasher detergent, some foaming hand soaps, and some surface cleaners. So really, really neat. Put them there, and this is the kit. So here's a tea tree oil. If I can get this one out. It's already gone. Lemon.
And
What were you
they're
gonna say?
full-size bottles, like they're not smaller than regular.
Lemon, and then what's this one here? Nutmeg. Very, very, very neat.
There's Castile soap for some of the recipes, like
Yep.
the foaming hand soap.
Yep, that's one of the ingredients. Yeah.
And what's this one?
So that's just the empty
Mister? Wow.
for the sprays.
So we are very excited to give this a try. Simply Earth is really geared to people who are looking for a more natural home. And in addition to having this subscription service, which you're not tied to, so you can give it a try, and if you don't like it for whatever reason, you can unsubscribe. So that's the nice thing. But in addition to that service that they offer, there are additional products that you can buy. So for example, this diffuser, this air diffuser as well.
So nice.
Yeah, so this will give you a chance to try out all of the different types of essential oils and find out which one, you like best. And then in addition, there's also these separate or individual essential oils. So if there's a certain one that you prefer and you don't want to wait to receive it in your monthly kit, you can just order that directly. So like this one's eucalyptus, there's one for lavender, there's so many, peace and quiet, so
Use some of that.
well, here you go.
Thank you.
There's some peace and quiet. Easy. So yeah, really cool. Look at that. That's how happy joy.
So great. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about anything that you see here, please leave it in the comments below. And let us know if you have a favorite recipe using essential oils that you'd like to see or a project from us. Thanks for watching. Bye.